Welcome to Brothers in Motion Kids TV, starring KJ and his brother Elijah. We like to try new stuff and get out and have some fun. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.
Hi guys, today we're doing this awesome boat engine. My personal favorite is the golden one. We are going to the boat on with this awesome boat. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. Okay, hi guys. So we're back and we're doing the boat again. So yeah, let's do it. Get this thing out. So this is it. This is the boat. This is the controller.
How's it going, Gage?
Is there any fish in here? Is there any fish in here?
I don't think so.
It's like hopping. Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're driving a boat and a boat that Daddy and is losing batteries, so I think one has to end this video really quick. Eli, you're not better than me at driving. Yeah, I'm not really good at driving. Why is it just... When I'm pushing it forward, it just keeps going in circles. See? I'm not doing it. Let me try.
Yeah, I know, because the motors aren't quite even.
Ow. Oh god, it's losing battery, I can tell.
Is it?
Yeah. It's going slow.
Oh, yeah. All right, don't run it back out there because I don't want it to die out there.
Hi. We're going to be doing the boat again. Dad's just putting in the batteries. So, and Mom's filming. So, when we get this thing, when we get this thing out, we're going to do it again. He's putting a new battery in because we think the battery that we're using is like broken or something. So it's what we have to do. Might work, might not. Okay. This is my sister. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Look at Eli. So put the batteries in. His boat is still stuck, guys.
Oh, geez, that's not good. All right, we'll bring it back in. I think it's an overheating issue.
Okay, guys. We think it's maybe broken. Sofia. Look at this cool thing that I found. It's a red. It's a red. Yeah. Where do you want to put it? Put it right here. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
So maybe it's not the battery, maybe it's an overheating issue.
Oh.
Because...
Okay, it might be an overheating issue.
Fine.
We're gonna film us climbing the trees instead. Come on, honey, let's go. Since the boat died, we're gonna climb up this tree. Yeah. I don't know why we're climbing up this tree. Me either. It's really high up. Okay, I'm gonna jump. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Okay, guys, come on. Let's go. Mama! We have to come close. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Go. Eli. Hi. I'm gonna be filming. Okay. Eli, can you hold this for me? Okay, when I get up. Film me getting up. Okay. Did you notice we're up in the tree right now? Still someone's gonna push me off. Here. I'm scared you. I think the kids is gonna go fish. We're going back to the boat. Here's the boat. Okay, bye guys.
Alright, cover on.
Oh. Whoa! What? That thing goes way faster than that.
Sure does. Look at that thing. Wow.
I think I want to race it.
Ours doesn't go that fast. Look at that thing.
It's really like... Can I try? Kitty, can I try? Guys, our boat is stuck.
Battery in it. I don't know.
It's stuck.
A couple more volts than what the other one is. We might have burned something up.
It's stuck. We're gonna have to wait for the wind.
Right here.
Bye, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. Dad blew up the boat. Yeah. Subscribe to Brothers in Motion Kids TV and give it a big like. Bye.